How to check maximum battery capacity on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery. From here, you can view your battery level, activity, and usage history over the last 24 hours or 10 days. You can also manage settings like battery percentage and low power mode. Now, tap on Battery Health to proceed. This section provides important information about your iPhone battery's health. As you can see, you can check the maximum capacity percentage from here. This is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. You can also view other information, such as the cycle count, manufacture date, and first use date of your device. Following these steps, you can easily check the maximum battery capacity on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.